Hi all, just now we brought cable protector for phone charger from Amazon. 3 packs for just 299 rupees and I added the link in the description box. This product is compatible with any type of phone charging cable and its thickness and grip makes it more durable and easy to us. The length of the cable is adequate for most charging needs, whether you are charging your smartphone, tablet, or other compatible device. For this type of broken charger wire, messy and tangled cables, the spiral charging cable is definitely worth considering. Try it once. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.